If you are looking for the absolute heartbeat of Tallahassee's modern social scene, you have found it right here at District 850. This isn't just a building, it is a 45,000 square foot massive entertainment ecosystem designed to redefine what it means to go out in the 850 area code. The name itself is a tribute to our local roots, but the experience inside is a high-octane, high-end escape that rivals anything you would find in Vegas or Orlando. Whether you are a competitive athlete, a casual gamer, or a food critic at heart, this is a place where every corner offers a new way to play. The grand entrance and the boutique bowling experience. As you walk through the front doors, you are immediately hit by a wall of energy, the sounds of strikes, the hum of arcade cabinets, and the aroma of gourmet kitchen prep. We start our journey at the boutique bowling lanes. Forget every mental image you have of the old-school, dusty bowling alleys of the past. These are 22 lanes of luxury. We are talking about plush lounge seating, high-definition projection screens at the end of every lane, and a sophisticated lighting system that adapts to the mood of the room. This isn't just about throwing a ball, it's about the social atmosphere. You can order a full meal and craft cocktails right to your laneside table, making it the ultimate destination for a Friday night out with friends or a corporate takeover that actually feels like a reward. The Arcade, a 21st century digital playground. Just past the lanes, you enter the Arcade and Redemption Center. This is a sensory masterpiece featuring over 60 of the most cutting-edge games in the industry. It's a mix of pure nostalgia and futuristic tech. You've got the massive, immersive driving simulators that make you feel every turn of the track, and the classic Halo, Fireteam Raven 4-player experience. But for those who love the thrill of the win, the Redemption games are the star of the show. From the massive Connect 4 hoops to the lightning-fast skee-ball variants, every ticket you earn is tracked on your player card, which you can then take to the Winners District, a prize shop that looks more like a high-end retail store than a toy counter. It's where your gaming skills turn into tangible rewards. Tactical thrills, axe throwing and laser tag. If you are looking to blow off some serious steam, we head toward the specialized tactical zones. First up is axe throwing. This has quickly become one of the most popular draws at District 850. There is something primal and incredibly satisfying about the thunk of a cold steel hatchet hitting a wooden target. Under the watchful eye of trained experts, you and your group can compete in bracket-style tournaments. It is safe, social, and surprisingly addictive once you find that perfect release point. If you prefer a digital battlefield, the laser tag arena is a multi-level, high-tech experience. This isn't your average darkroom with some plywood, it's a tactically designed environment with ramps, hidden corners, and glowing neon barriers. Whether you are playing a team-based domination game or an all-out free-for-all, the heart-pounding music and the mist-filled air create an atmosphere that feels like you've stepped inside a video game. Reaching new heights, the ropes and ninja courses. Now, look up. Suspended high above the arcade floor is the Sky Trail Ropes course. This is for the thrill seekers who aren't afraid of heights. You are securely harnessed into a tracking system that allows you to navigate a series of narrow beams, swaying suspension bridges, and technical obstacles, all while looking down at the vibrant life of the center below. It is a true test of balance and nerve. Directly underneath the ropes, for those who want to stay closer to the ground but work twice as hard, is the ninja course. Inspired by the athletic feats of American Ninja Warrior, this area is a grueling test of agility and grip strength. You can time yourself against your friends on the quintuple steps, the hanging rings, and the legendary warped wall. It is the perfect spot for local athletes and weekend warriors to see if they really have what it takes to clear the course. The Virtual Frontier, Hologate VR. For the true tech enthusiasts, District 850 features Hologate, an award-winning, multiplayer virtual reality platform. Once you put on that headset, the physical room disappears. You are instantly transported into a 360-degree digital world where the tracking is so precise that your every move is mirrored in the game. You could be defending a futuristic base against a wave of robots, navigating a spooky manor filled with ghosts, or engaged in a high-speed snowball fight. Because it's a social VR experience, you are in there with your friends, seeing their avatars and working together. It represents the absolute cutting edge of location-based entertainment, offering an immersion level that home consoles just can't match. The culinary heart, dining and the craft bar. You cannot have an eatertainment center of this scale without a world-class kitchen. At the center of the facility is a full-service restaurant that completely shatters the bowling alley food stereotype. The menu here is elevated, featuring hand-stretched artisan pizzas, gourmet burgers made with premium blends, and a variety of shareable plates like giant pretzels and spicy wings that are built for a crowd. The bar itself is a destination in its own right. With a massive wraparound counter, a wide array of local and national craft beers on tap, and a signature cocktail list crafted by expert mixologists, it is the perfect place to anchor your night. Whether you are watching the FSU game on the wall-to-wall big screens or just taking a breather between axe throwing and the arcade, the bar provides a sophisticated, high-energy hub for the entire building. The atmosphere, a tale of two districts. What truly makes District 850 the premier spot in Tallahassee is its ability to transform. During the day, it is a bright, family-friendly powerhouse. You'll see birthday parties, families bonding over a game of bowling, and kids conquering the ninja course. It is a safe, clean, and vibrant environment where parents can actually enjoy themselves while the kids play. But as the sun sets over Tallahassee, the district shifts gears. The lighting dims to a sleek, lounge-style glow, the music picks up its tempo, and the space transforms into a sophisticated adult playground. It's where corporate teams come to break down walls, where couples come for a date night that is actually exciting, and where friends come to celebrate life's wins. District 850 is more than just a collection of games, it is a community hub that brings people together through the power of play. It represents the new Tallahassee, bold, energetic, and always moving forward. It's 45,000 square feet of pure, unadulterated fun, and it is waiting for you to come in and make your mark.